Now, let's walk through the scene mathematically. A man cleverly covers the faces of random passersby with a bucket. The first victim pulls it off, looks around, and mistakenly concludes that the person nearest with a similar bucket must be guilty. Here, the mapping is not one-to-one. The bucket is evidence, but it doesn't uniquely identify the culprit. From here, the game begins. Each passerby who receives the bucket faces a decision node. Pass it on, a strategy of self-preservation. By shifting the bucket to someone else, the current holder minimizes personal blame but maximizes the misattribution cycle. This is analogous to recursively reassigning an error in a function, spreading confusion across the codomain. Drop it and run. A flight strategy. Here, the passerby leaves the function undefined. The bucket variable no longer has a holder, but suspicion lingers in the system. This creates discontinuity. Blame doesn't vanish, it just hovers without closure. Hold it and explain, a high-risk, high-integrity move. The passerby tries to remap the function correctly by pointing back to the man. But because of cognitive bias, people trust immediate appearances, the explanation is often disbelieved. Mathematically, this is like attempting to invert a non-invertible function. Mathematical insight. This is a form of game theory. Each player's strategy is rational for self-preservation, yet collectively irrational, leading to widespread confusion and injustice. It mirrors the prisoner's dilemma. While cooperation, telling the truth, tracing the hidden man, would yield the best global outcome, self-interest drives misattribution to continue indefinitely. The bucket becomes not just an object, but a payoff structure. Passing it reduces immediate cost, but propagates systemic chaos. Dropping it avoids engagement, but leaves unresolved tension. Holding it is costly, but morally corrective. Thus, in the end, a simple prank dramatizes a mathematical paradox of blame. Misattribution spreads like a faulty mapping, and rational decisions fuel collective disorder.